Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make smooth horizontal shake. This is how it's gonna look like. So let's start the video without any further waste of time. First of all, get your clips ready. Then move to the center point of first two clips. Go to the effect, click on video effects, then go the opening and closing and select oblique blur. Click on Adjust and set blur 100 and rotation also 100. Now make the effect as short as possible. Copy it and drag it to the start of next clip. And do the same to rest clips. Now click on the effect on first clip and again copy it. This time make the copy slightly longer than the above. Then copy this one as well, and make the next one more slightly longer than the second one. Now copy these two layers and drag to the each clip. These will look like a sort of stairs. Now click on first clip and go to the animation. And then select the swing right. Set its duration to 0.2 seconds. Now apply this animation to the other clips as well. Now click on Overlay, then on It Overlay. And then go to the stock videos appearing in the options at top and select White Page. Zoom it to fit into the frame. Now make it shorter like this. Go to Blending and select Overlay. Then go to Animation and select Fade Out. Make its duration to the full. Now copy it thrice and drag them to the start of each clips. Here, have a look on what we just did. Now go to the first clip and add a keyframe at start and another at end. Make sure that your pointer line is in between both keyframes. Then go to Graphics and select Ease Out 3. Now do the same process to the rest of the clips as well. And with that, we're finally done. Result. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.